Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be working with one of our online kits. This is the Cherry Blossom Treat Boxes kit, and we're going to dive right on into it. This kit is going to make 14, I think, boxes. So these are the kits that can be found only online. They're not in a catalog. So if you just go to, ooh, look at this stamp set. We'll get into it. Early Espresso stamping spot in here. So you have your ink, your stamps, and your whole kit to make your projects. Almost like the paper pumpkin, huh? Well, there goes the box. Let's get in here and get these instructions out. These are the boxes. Aren't those pretty? Ooh, nice. So we have a block here, some dimensionals, and some tearing tape. Well, like sticky strips, 3M sticky strips. Okay. We have some twine. Some baker's twine, looks like. I said get the instructions, didn't I? Here's our boxes. Aren't these beautiful? Look at that. Then we have our tags and flowers. 2 sheets of that. Nothing else under there. Okay, here's our stamp set. So it comes in 3 different languages. So let's get to the English one. Here's our stamp set. Thank you, best wishes, for you, sweet baby. Then a big flower, little flower, some dottage, and a stem, a branch with some blooms and leaves on it. Very cute. Okay, so here are our instruction sheets for the Cherry Blossom Treat Boxes kit. Okay, so it tells you step by step what you need to do here and how to do it. So let's see. The kit components is everything you see here, what I just showed you. Contains supplies for 12 projects, not 14, 12. Okay. And the coordinating Stampin' Up colors are Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Moody Mauve, and Pretty in Pink. Moody Mauve? I didn't see. Oh, the little dottage on here is Moody Mauve. Oh, and it's Early Espresso and Crumb Cake on the little branch. Okay. There's the Pretty in Pink. All right. Okay, so let's get started. So we're going to go to instruction sheet number 1. We're going to get our stamps. Where did I just set them? Oh, right here. We're going to get our stamps, and it says we need the big one, the little one, the branch. So everything in 1 sentiment. So we got to choose. I'm going to choose the For You. I am making these boxes for, I'm going to hand them out on a cruise. I'm going on a cruise, and I'm going to hand these boxes out with treats in them to our table mates. So I'm going to fold that on the score line, fold this little tab, then fold these, and I'm burnishing them as I fold them. So that is how our box is going to go together. Simple. And we'll put the little 3M tape right there. Let me get that. I did just say I was going to do the stamps, right? But here I am doing something else. Put the little 3M tape right here close to the edge. And I'm going to put the stamps on the blocks, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have everything put together. I'm going to, because this is rounded, I'm going to kind of use my bone folder to fold it over so that when we put the box together, it'll be a little easier. It doesn't say to do this. This is just something I think should be done. But be careful, because these things look delicate at the top. That's our closure, yeah. So just be careful with this when you're doing this part. Okay, so we got that. Move the rest of the boxes. Get our sheet here with our tags and flowers. So step 1, get your flower, your big flower, and an ink pad. Early espresso. You guys know I use the big ink pads. So I'm going to ink up my big flower, and we're going to stamp it inside of these flowers here on the sheet. Trying not to get in the frame. So hopefully I line that up pretty good. Okay, so I did that. Step 2, the branch on here. So, because that branch is pretty long, it's gonna go over there. So we gotta pop this one out. Get that little circle out of there. Let me get some scrap paper, and we're gonna stamp our branch on this. And it's showing us to line up the little leaves with these little dots of color on here. So we're gonna try, oh, there's a little teeny piece right there. We're gonna try to line that up. Let me turn my paper. I'm trying not to get in the frame, but I don't know. Let me see. Those are up there, right there. That one's there. Did we get it? Almost. Let's see if we can try again. We have another one. A whole bunch more. Might have to do them all anyway. Let's see here. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. Okay, we'll leave it. Okay, now what we're gonna do is the small flower, and we're gonna ink that up and stamp it right here on the side, like that, like that. Okay, then step 3 is put some dottage. So let's ink that up, and we're gonna put some dottage here. That's the only spot. Okay, and then last one is to put your sentiment, and I picked For You. So we're gonna ink that up. I'm gonna stamp that at the bottom, just like that. Okay, I think that is all of our stamping done. So I'll finish these later because we're only gonna make one box anyway. So let's see, we're done with that part. Now we're gonna go to this part. Oh, where's Anita's flower? We get a flower here. And the dimensionals, it says to put 1 dimensional on the back of here and pop that up right here. Okay. So we're gonna put that right in that empty spot, just like that. Isn't that cute? And I guess now we're gonna put the box together. Okay, so we're just gonna fold it in half here and push it down. So we're gonna take our little sticky backing off and stick it down. Burnish that so it'll stick really good. Okay, now the bottom. Okay, they don't tell you how that goes. I have put these together before. Let's see, I think those two go, no. This one goes down first. This is gonna tuck under there, I think. Yep. That goes in there like that. And then this one It's going to tuck in as well. And that's our box. Look at that. The bottom is secure. Okay. And then we're going to put this together. Wait. I have some candy. I got some Hershey's hearts. I didn't tore the bag up. But these little Hershey Kisses hearts. Not Hershey Kisses, but Hershey hearts. And then I have some Hershey Kisses. The Valentine's one. For a kiss for you. It has all the little like things on there. I'm going to put 4 of these hearts in here. That's 2. And 2 more. Aren't they cute? So I'm going to put 4 hearts and 3 of the kisses. Look at those pretty colors. Hopefully that's not too much. And then I'm pushing these sides down. You don't want to burnish them down, but I'm pushing them down so that when I put this flower together, they're not in the way. Because we have to twist and guide this in. Why isn't it going in? There it is. I just have to push. Okay. Ooh, that's so cute. Okay, where's our twine? So now the twine, 12 inches of twine. I don't think I'm gonna need 12 inches. That's a lot. Did you guys know there's a ruler on the side here? They have these on the paper pumpkins as well. So that's about 9 inches. I think 9 would be. Oh, I guess I should start at the 0. Yeah, I think 9 is good. Let me get my scissors and cut. Now, it says to put the twine through here. And it looks like they tied it on around here, but then they would have to untie it to get into the box. I'm not going to do that, so I am going to tie a bow. Now I'm gonna put these together when I get on the cruise. So I'm gonna take them flat, but I'm gonna just do all the things, and then all I have to do is put the boxes together. Since the glue is just a little sticky strip that go on there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Let me get some tearing tape. I think that's how I'm gonna put this on there. Use a little tearing tape. Put it right in the back here. Okay, so now I want to put this on the front of my box. So where your seam is, that's the back. See, that's where we put it together. So we want to put it on this side. And I'm going to just stick it right up under there. So it'll almost look like theirs because I have the little bow sticking out. Like that. That is cute. I'm going to add some gems. They don't have any gems in here. What can we put on there? Pink, 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 pink. Oh, let's use the Sale-A-Bration purple adhesive-backed sequins. These are free. When you spend $60 or more, you can choose these. Take your pick tool, and we'll get a big one right here. Ooh, that's so pretty. We'll just put that one. That's so cute. Look at that. Okay. Okay, you guys. Oh, I was about to leave, but I forgot. I need to go over some buzzworthy business with you. So we have our Hello Spring paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards. Petunia Pop is going to be this Stampin' Spot. Spring is in the Air add-on dies, $12 for 5 dies that coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. And you have until February 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit. Link in the description box, or you can go to honeybeestampinhive.com. What is next? Next is our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? Speaking of freebies, it's Sale-A-Bration time. During Sale-A-Bration, what qualifying orders you can get free stuff out of the Sale-A-Bration brochure. This is the Sale-A-Bration brochure, and there are links on my blog to these brochures, the mini catalog, the scrapbooking brochure that's online only, and all of the online exclusives that just came out January 7th. So there's a join special during Sale-A-Bration. So when you want to join Stampin' Up, you have to purchase a starter kit. The starter kit is $99 plus tax. You get to choose $125 worth of products, and they'll all be shipped to you for free. No shipping cost, okay? During Sale-A-Bration, they give you some extras. So they give you two choices. Option one, you can choose to get this stamp set and two color families of Stampin' Right markers. So that's 20 Stampin' Right markers in a stamp set. A $91 value, plus you get to choose $125 worth of product, all for $99 plus tax, free shipping. Or if you don't want this, you can just add $30 to your $125. And then you get to pick out $155 starter kit. And there's no obligation. Join to get the free stuff. Join to get a discount on all of your orders, or join to start a business. Up to you. I would love to have you on my team. Mystery boxes. I do have some mystery boxes. They're $30 each. Shipping is included. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes. They're stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. During Sale-A-Bration, I do have a special going on. You can either purchase the box for $30 each, or if you spend $100 and you use my host code, $100 in product, using my host code, I will send you one of these for free, okay? And also during Sale-A-Bration, just so you know, if your order reaches $300 or more of product, you're going to get an extra $30 to spend with your Stampin' Rewards, okay? Just so you know. And while I took a break, I made some alternates using the stamp set from this kit. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I used the, what is this called? Fruit Salad Designer Series paper. This is a Sale-A-Bration freebie. You can earn this with $60 purchase. So I used that paper. I know it's fruit all over, but on the back side, there's some neutral designs. So pretty cute, right? This is the Baker's Twine three-color pack, I think it's called. And then I use the, what is the name of these sequins? Something trio pack. Adhesive-Backed sequence trio. Isn't this pretty though? I just took 2 sheets of the Designer Series paper, and they were 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I stacked them. So it was kind of like a stack, cut, and shuffle, because I stacked them and I cut them diagonally in both ways, so it made an X, and then I just mixed and matched. Isn't that pretty though? This is real red with some Winka Stella, some lemon lolly. I brushed on lemon lolly in the background with a blending brush as well on this one. And the Granny Apple Green, the Early Espresso, and this one is lemon lolly and peach pie. I did not sponge the background. If you can see, there's a slight color difference, but the same sequence and twine on here. And this is the inside. Cute, cute, cute. These are my alternates. Here is our little box that the kit made. And that is all I have for you guys, okay? That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.